Hello ladies, I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, your favorite glueless lace wig store, conveniently located here in Culver City, California. We have the most luxurious, fabulous luxury lace wigs, and we are proud to announce that we are an in-network provider for the top 30 medical providers in the U.S. So the top 30 medical insurance companies, we are an in-network provider for them and can fill your prescription for a medical wig. So if you have any sort of hair loss, we can assist you with getting you a new luxurious wig. We have been known in the industry for the past 10 plus years for having the best quality of hair, the best lace construction, awesome customer service, awesome color. We're located here in Culver City, California, and we can now provide you with a medical wig if you have any sort of hair loss. So get that prescription from your doctor for a medical wig, or it can say cranioplasties. If you or your doctor have any questions, give us a call here. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. Send that email to magichaircompany@gmail.com. The email needs to include your prescription, your insurance card, and your ID. Again, magichaircompany@gmail.com, and then we will get you processed to cover that medical wig. There's no reason to sit at home with any sort of hair loss issues when we can now get you a beautiful wig from Magic Hair Company. Shop with us in-store or online. Let us know if you have any questions. We can get you a wig covered by your insurance that you're already paying for. Shop with us if you want the best. We're Magic Hair Company, and we are changing lives one custom wig at a time.